Okay, so before going to the college, it's time to the skincare, and this is the Bioga moisturizer, and I use it daily to get my better and smooth skin. Okay, so finally the skincare is done, and I'm going to cook my breakfast, and I'm going to cook bread omelette and a glass of milk. So yep, let's cook that and then go to the college. Yeah, so finally the breakfast is ready, and I'm going to show you like what I made. It's one glass of milk and a bread omelette. Yep, let's see. So this is one glass of milk that contains 3.8% of fat, and this is my bread omelette, and this is of 3 eggs, and the bread is multigrain wheat. So yeah, this is my breakfast, and I'm going to eat it, and I will leave for my college. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back again, and yeah, I was not shooting that because after coming back from my college, I was resting at my home. But yep, my resting is all done, and I'm leaving for my library. So actually, my library is just 20 minutes away from my home. So yep, I'm here, and it's evening 6:30. I'm going to library, and I'll study there for maybe 2 hours or something, and then I'll come back again at 8:30. Then I'll cook my dinner, and then I'll probably do something on my laptop, and then I'll sleep, right? So this is my U-Bahn station, and my U-Bahn is coming in 4 minutes. I'll sit in that, and I'll go to the library, and I'll show you around like how it looks like, and so many books and all. So yep, so let's go and see the library. Okay guys, so finally I'm back home, and now I'll take a bath. Then I'll go and cook my dinner, and I'm going to cook maybe egg curry and rice. So I was in the library, and I was studying some machine learning and like some programming concepts. Then I started studying maths for 1 hour. Totally, I was there for 2.5 hours, and now I'm at home. So yep, now I'm going to take a bath, and I will cook my dinner, and then I'll do something on my laptop, maybe like something, some mails and all stuff, checking and all, and then I'll go to sleep, right? So yep, let me go to take a bath, and then I'll cook my dinner. So yep, let's see. This is not so clean, but yeah, that's how I cook. These are 5 eggs. Guess I'll separate out 2 for tomorrow, and I'll make the curry of 3 eggs. This is my onion, this is my tomato, and I'll make a puree. So puree is already in the chopper, and these are my rice. So I'm just going to make the egg curry. Then I'll like eat all of this with the rice. Okay, so yep, let me cook that. So living in abroad is not that easy. Like people think that if I'll go to abroad for my studies, then I'll start enjoying there. But yeah, that's not easy actually. Like as you saw in the video, like I'm waking up in the morning, I'm cooking my breakfast, then I'm going for jogging also. Then I'm like going to the college, studying there, then coming back, buying groceries and all. Then again going to study in the library. So the whole day is kind of packed, and you have to maintain everything. Like I have a whiteboard, so and that whiteboard I like write my everything and stuff, so that I'm going to do in the whole day, right? Then I follow the whiteboard, whatever I written on that. So yeah, that's how I plan my day. And the most important thing that if you are here and if you want to come here, like be prepared and like come with a proper like strong mindset. If you will distract here and if you're not able to do like things according to the time and according to the value of that thing, you will have to suffer, right? I'm not like telling in a bad way, but you will have to suffer. So yeah, if you are coming here, then come with a very strong mindset. And the second thing is, don't come with the expectation of jobs, because I know we have to do the job because we are from middle class or something, right? So we have to do a job. But yeah, don't come with the mind of like I have to do the job. Like you have to study also, you have to do so many things like around you. So if you are just coming that I just have to earn money, so yeah, that's not a good thing, because you have a course, you have to study, and you have to cook food also, just like me. And yeah, there are so many things. You have to make connections also, you have to make some friends. So yeah, this is a small motivation, but I hope you will understand this because it's very important, right? So yeah, more of the talks. Now I'm going to make the curry and then I will eat because I have some work, and then I will go to sleep. Yep. Okay guys, so finally the day is done, and whatever you saw in the like video, that was my whole day. So now my work is done, my study is done, and I'm done with everything, and I'm going to sleep. And I'll do the same thing like from tomorrow again. I'll go to jogging, then I'll cook my breakfast, then I'll go to college, and then library and all. So yep, that's all for the video. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. We are very close to 2K subscribers. So yep. And if you want to see something new, you can comment down in the comment section. I'll try to make the video. So yep, that's all. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.